Our cladding cleaning service provides the perfect solution to brighten up your walls or even your roof. Using the most up-to-date equipment, our poles are adjustable in height and from ground level can reach up to 13 metres, even higher using a cherry picker. Connected to our Honda pressure washer, which can produce up to 200 water bar, adjustable if less pressure is required, the curtained spinning water jets ensure a high standard deep cleaning job, big or small. In addition, we can provide our own power using our generators, and we have our own water bowser so that we don't even need access to your supply. We do not use chemicals of any kind, so it is an environmentally friendly system backed up by experienced personnel who hold health and safety certification. Roger Needle Limited has 20 years experience in window cleaning, gutter clearing, and we also offer a drive and patio washing service. We are contractors to major property management companies, housing associations and many business customers, including factory and office buildings. We constantly re-equip with the latest available cleaning equipment, and each of our fleet of modern vans carries its own hot water tank with filtered water for window cleaning. We also hold full public liability insurance, so you are in safe as well as very experienced hands. Stone windowsills need very careful cleaning. One thing that must not be used is any form of abrasive. Our specialist jet washing system will remove dirt and green algae in minutes. The result is a pristine and, most importantly, damage-free sill.